BROSIFS, you might have remembered some time ago I did a speed stacks video. Well, I got a package for speed stacks, and well, I'm gonna do what every speed stacks YouTuber does and do an unboxing. I forgot to do an unboxing of my Xbox One, but you know, things happen. Just make sure you can see. It's a little bit up. Perfect. So, here's the package. It's pretty light. Let's just go ahead and cut this on open. Pause the video really quick, or just keep watching and tell me what stacks I got, what set I got. I wonder if you could guess. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a beauty. Opening it. So here's what I got. I got a pair of really reds. You can see it's pretty darn cold. Like the snacks feel cold. And the top hat for the cups. See? Hey. Oh, it's so fun. Just put it on the flames here really quick. I'm glad the speed stacks didn't come in those like impossible to open box things that I've seen on stack videos. But some snap tops, atomic blacks to be exact. Let's see. Oh, I see Rachel. I think, no, that's like, I don't know if that's Rachel, but yeah. The thing that holds it up. Then the receipt shows that I got one cup keeper, one cup set, really reds, disc set, atomic blast is what they called it, and standard holding stem with booklet. I don't need the booklet, but it's so brand new. Like, here, let me get my old booklet. I kept it. Let's go ahead and open this real quickly. Oh, push! I don't know. Is it? Oh! There we go. Stem or stick. I don't know what they called it. Standard holding stem. Wow, it's a lot lighter too. Yeah, so look at the complete differences. So this is the new one, this is the old one, and the backs. It's pretty weird. But, well, that's package. Let's get these snap tops out. I'm a little worried I'll touch the snap tops. Okay, there we go. Jesus Christ, hard plastic. Bad for the environment. I'm just kidding. If you are an environment freak, well, not a freak, but if you care about the environment, this is not a video. Okay, well, it was just a lid then. And a little straw to hold them all together. I'm not joking. Hey, just be a straw for the cups. Look at this, you put the snap tops on. Oh, wrong cups. You put the snap tops on, it covers up those holes that keep you from draining, and then you can use this hole for the top. Pros next, not Series 2 yet, but these feel better than both of them combined. D4. Ages 3 and up. It's like that 5-year-old kid, or how old is he? Like 7, 8 now or something? I can't remember. General BROSIFS is this weird. Jeez, I can't stop feeling it. Not good. Let's go ahead and put the snap tops on. Show you how it's just try to spare. Woo! Living on 12. Take my hand and we'll stack together. I don't know. I am not good at making these stuff up. That job is okay. They feel like sort of like glossy. It's a glossy kind of feel. This is like a that's sweet. My friend's having a bonfire. I could tell because he said that him and his brothers always make bonfires and stuff, like outside their house. And it's right there. Like, they'll make bonfires in front of his house and stuff like that. There we go. All right. Let's test this out. Lock it, then it'll stay, then you get it out, you unlock it, push down, pull. Alright. So these are my reds. My really reds. My friend's lucky. I might bike over there after this video. Got a sweet bonfire going. Don't worry, it's not a house fire. Or is it? See? Trash shoe. Trash and shoe. Trash. Snap tops. But I consider I'm gonna keep that straw thing because gotta drink, you know. Can't be dehydrated. Oh, I think so. I'm just kidding. Sweet. Go ahead and put these with them. Stay over here, my cups. I wonder if I did the minis. I didn't do an unboxing of the minis, even though I probably should have, but old General BROSIFS, delusional. You know. Put the skizzers away. We don't need that right now, but might come in handy. I'll do a few cycles because, you know, it's usually a good idea to test them out. Don't quote me. I still, really suck at it. So don't quote me. Because I excited. I haven't been like, oh, yes, this is exactly what I've been waiting for. And I feel pretty good. Snap tops look freaking awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and, let's see. It's green. Alright, here we go. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Oh. These are amazing. Absolutely. Oh, crap. Fumble. Oh, thank you. Oh, jeez. Oh, suck. Sucks. I don't know if you could see the time there. 19:34. Yeah, I used to be able to get like 15. Wow, so impressive. Yeah, I just came. Alright, here we go. They're like really slick, easy to maneuver with. I thought I liked my blacks, but the reds are a lot better for me. 17:324. Scratch. All right, last cycle. Anyway, BROSIFS, thanks for watching my Speed Stacks unboxing. Look it, there are two of me. What? Don't worry, it was nothing. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. You guys are absolutely amazing. And, well, I'll see you guys later. Bye.